In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master ChatGPT 4, specifically how to replicate any writing style using this powerful tool. Whether you're an aspiring writer, a student, or someone who simply loves the nuances of language, this guide is for you. We'll take a step-by-step approach to ensure you get the most out of ChatGPT 4. So, let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. Once you're there, type ChatGPT into the search bar. This will direct you to various search results related to ChatGPT 4, the AI language model that will help us replicate writing styles. From those search results, find the official ChatGPT website and click on it. This will take you to the main interface where all the magic happens. Once on the website, you'll see various options. The next step involves clicking on the plus sign, typically found on the interface for adding content or initiating a new session. After clicking the plus sign, you'll need to upload the writing sample whose style you aim to replicate. To do this, click on the Add Photos and Files option. This button allows you to upload a file directly to the platform. Here, select the document that contains the writing style you want ChatGPT 4 to learn. Make sure your file is ready and easily accessible on your device to streamline this process. Once your file is uploaded, it's time to guide ChatGPT 4 by providing a prompt. In the text field provided, you could type something descriptive like, "Please mimic the writing style attached with this poem." This step is crucial as it directs ChatGPT to analyze the nuances and characteristics of the uploaded content, setting the stage for accurate replication. With your prompt set, you can now input a sentence or a short passage that you want to be transformed. This could be something simple like a sentence or a more complex piece like a poem. The key here is to give ChatGPT something tangible to work with, ensuring it can effectively apply the learned style. Finally, once you've entered your sentence or poem, click on Submit. This action prompts ChatGPT 4 to process your request and generate a new piece of text that mirrors the style of the uploaded content. In a few moments, you'll have a text transformed and presented in the desired writing style. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can now use ChatGPT 4 to replicate any writing style, bringing a new level of creativity and authenticity to your projects. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different styles and see what ChatGPT 4 can do. Happy writing!